Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this hanging Santa that comes with, I think it's a dog, but it should be like Rodolph or something like that. But I think it's just their dog that is kind of like biting on their tushy, of course. So that's something that I think is pretty cool. This one comes with everything you need. It is 6 feet tall. You can hang it from whatever you want. You can hang it from a tree, from your roof, from your Christmas tree, from your pergola, whatever you want. But this one, the good thing about this one, it comes with everything you need. It comes with stakes, so you can actually secure it from the feet over here to the floor if you want, to the ground if you want. But also, it comes with the hooks for hanging it if you want. This is kind of like a super temporary one that I just did for showing this one to you and how it looks. But the good thing about this one, that you can use it indoors and outdoors, of course, is that I want to show it to you at night because it comes with LED lights. So let's actually wait till night so you can see this one little bit better. But of course, let's just wait to see what happened with him that is biting the tushy. So take a look at how good it looks at night with the LED lights. We still have him biting on his tushy a little bit. I think that this should be Rudolph, not a dog, but I mean, it looks really good. So I think for your kids, kind of like could be a little bit better and cute as well, that this little guy over here is kind of like hanging. And of course, you can use the rope, you can use whatever you want. You can kind of like use the hooks that comes right here with the actual stripes that you can actually put, I want to say like a little piece of cable or one of those like steel cable as well to be more firm and more precise. But other than that, this one looks really nice. And of course, you can actually see it. I mean, you can't see it from the front right now, but this one looks really nice in the front as well. And of course, it could be a really nice decoration for outdoors, your entrance of your house, your patio, indoors as well, whatever your kids want, because this one right here, it says Merry Christmas. I like it. I do recommend this guy over here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.